Reborn as a vending machine. Now I wander the dungeon. The things you guys are making me watch, man. How bad could it be? You know what? Let's give it a chance.
Hmm?
あれ?
やばい、このままじゃ自動販売機が危ない。ここはどこだ。あ、これは俺は自動販売機になって。
Anime of the year. You better be getting up and giving it a standing applause at home. Anime of the year. Absolute cinema. They didn't even give a good plot to how he became the vending machine. He just became the vending machine. Fair enough. The hell am I watching? Anime of the year. Also, when we're reacting to stuff like this, it's probably best not to ask questions, guys. It's probably best not to ask questions. Let's see how long it takes for me to break my own rule. All right, let's carry on. Let's get another replay of how he became the vending machine. So he was either hugging it or something else, and then became a vending machine. It could have been worse. He could have become a motorbike. Do you know what I mean? あれ?
ここはどこだ。あ、これは俺は自動販売機になっている。
How is there gonna be a plot? Oh. Don't ask. Don't ask questions.
当たりが出たらもう一本。とにかくここから。あれ。いらっしゃいませ。やばい。何か機能どれも使えねえ。
そこにいるのは分かってるよ。あれ。なんやこれ美味しい。よいしょっと。
あ、嘘だろ。500キロはあるぞ。
ちょっと重いけど運べそう。ランミスっていうの。
Vending machine. Now I wander the dungeon. Alright.
なんでこれマジでねえぞ。こっちもビミだ。効果を投入してください。
あなたはすごい食欲ね。あのね、今日はいろんなことがあったんだ。
How does this have a better color palette than season 4 of AOT? Like, explain that to me. Is this where all the budget went? How does this look more appealing visually than Chainsaw Man? Explain it. Explain it. How does this have better animation than Jujutsu Kaisen? Okay, that was... W Rage Bane. Okay. The plot seems like AI. I ain't gonna lie to you, bro. I don't even think AI could think of something like this. This has to be a man who was in an office for a job, IT job or something, and just was so bored that he was there, sat there looking at a vending machine and said yes. And he was right. Well done to him. He's probably made hundreds of thousands on this. He's probably made a lot of money. You know, he gets all his money in quarters and 20p's and... Sorry, I couldn't help myself. They pay him in vending machine. He just gets paid in snacks.
いらっしゃいませ。
Cinema. Isn't it crazy that a metal box probably has more of a personality than Sung Jin-woo? That was brilliant. Should we watch this? Should we just... Guys, this is Death Note Shippuden. Why don't we watch the time I turned into a vending machine?